Welcome to Belmont Machinery here in Aurora, Illinois. Today I'd like to introduce to you this beautiful 32 by 240 inch Summit lathe we recently acquired from a local paper mill tool room. It's a model 30-4. The 4 indicates that it has a 4 1/8 inch spindle bore, which is a camlock spindle currently holding a 23.5 inch 4-jaw chuck. You have spindle speeds from 14 to 1010 RPM. You have metric threading capability, inch threading capability. You have a removable gap, hardened bedways. There's a taper attachment, along with many other accessories that we'll get to later. You have a Model C80 2-axis Newall digital readout, power rapid traverse. We have a live center in the tailstock. You have a steady rest, and I think it's time to hear it run. What do you think, Matt?
Let's turn it on.
All right.
14 RPM.
This will be 14 RPM.
I'm 28.
128 RPM. There's your cross slide feeding in. Carriage feeding in.
Reversal.
Feed shaft reversal. Once rapid. Carriage rapid.
Exposing those bays.
Just come take a close look at these waves, Mike. You have no, it's smooth on the inside. There's no ridge worn into it. It's very, very nice condition. What is this, Matt?
247.
247 RPM. Very smooth. Readout in action.
Big brake.
Spindle reverse. We have here
48.
this is 48 RPM. If I go, I'm going to show them those accessories that come with it. Got a 15-inch diameter 3-jaw chuck, a 16, let's see, a carriage stop, dog plate, some more centers, and a few tool holders for the quick change tool post. It's a 20 horsepower main drive motor, dual voltage 220 or 440, currently running on 440 volts. 340 RPM.
That's great.
Yeah, that's a good brake. Thanks for watching the demo of this beautiful Summit lathe. It's here on our floor in Aurora, which is about 45 minutes west of Chicago. We welcome anyone to come inspect it under power, and it is available for immediate delivery. Thank you.